pay anything. It's so simple. It's a kind of task that you're gonna need to be creating that is Gmail accounts, and you're gonna get paid for that. They're gonna give you everything, the first name, the second name, everything that you need to know, so you don't need to put in your details. So guys, just watch this video until the end for you to know everything that you need before you register. So I'm giving you a true withdrawal of one of my friend called Emmanuel Wanda. So is this is his status, WhatsApp status, that is, guys, you can see from my screen. The name of the person who has done withdrawal here is Emmanuel Wanda, and the person is Emmanuel Wanda himself. So I'm using his status. You can see Emmanuel Wanda, and you can see up here the account belongs to Emmanuel Wanda. You can see total asset that was deposited to his account is 5.25 USD. So they allow you to withdraw all through that. So guys, you can see right here, you can see this is the account. They give you everything. So they give you payment per account. So this is account. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what you're supposed to be doing, and I'll put the link on the comment section. Make sure you visit comment section after watching the full video. Okay, if you have any question, just comment below. So if you're new on my channel, this is the first time you are listening to my video or watching my video for the very first time, or coming across my channel for the very first time, please make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. I'm back, guys. I'm back. You know, it has been long. Many of you inboxed me, Cynthia, when are you going to give us new updates, blah blah blah. I'm here. I'm so sorry, guys. You know, many things happened and I need to take my time. I also dealing with other things. So here I am today. I thank God. So if you're watching this video, make sure you follow everything that I'm going to show you. So I'm going to show you how to register. So the first thing, after clicking the link where it will take you, I'm going to take you to that. I'm going to direct you to my my Telegram app to show you exactly what you'll be doing. So as I've said, guys, you can see withdrawal request for this. Since this guy Emmanuel Wanda was requesting for withdrawal, you can see everything is there from the second month. You can see everything. You can see his referral. So balance, nothing is bold. So he got $5.23 available to withdraw. So, and the withdrawal is allowed from 0.2 USD or USDT. Okay, you can see the guy provided everything. So you can see withdrawal, and you can see withdrawal working 1%. He posted himself, right? You can see he got the withdrawal that he did successfully. Guys, this is not my own thing. You can see he did it himself. Okay, so you can see that. You can see new Gmail loot. Hey, so you can see you create accounts. This is in converted in Kenya shillings. Is a Kenyan, so he did that because of is in Kenya. So this thing is available everywhere. It's not only in Kenya. Get me right, okay? So you can see the withdrawal was successful. So guys, this is something that is free. You don't need to pay for anything. So I don't know why you should miss it. And they give you all the informations that you need to create that account. You don't need to use anything of yours. So let us go to the place what you'll need or what you'll do after creating account, of which you're not going to create account as you think. So let me tell you what to do. Let me show you. So guys, for the very first time, after typing the link, it will take you to Telegram, because this is Telegram kind of earning. Okay, so you can see everything that was on that man's Emmanuel Wanda WhatsApp status is true. It's the same thing. So you can see right here, what can this bot do? You can see what the bot can do. You can see everything is here. Follow the steps, send the results for review, get paid for approved tasks. So you have to be real, because if you lie, they're gonna not like they will not approve, like they will review it, but if it's not good or well done, then they'll tell you. Okay, so you start the task. So you're gonna click on the start. They're gonna, okay, the first time if you click on the link, it's gonna take you to Telegram. Then you're gonna see something like this. After that, you're gonna click on the start. Okay, so after you click on the start, you'll be able to see something here like this. You are in Gmail on. We pay for registering Gmail accounts. How does it work? So take a task. The bot gives you a name. Listen to me. Email and password. Okay. So they give you everything. So register the account from your phone using the guide. So you get 0.29, that is 29 cents in dollars, to 34 cents per account, okay, with 2FA the higher rates, okay. After 5 days of verification, the amount is available to withdraw, okay. Withdraw in USDT, that is in BEP20, that is Binance chain, Binance Coin Chain, BNB chain, right? From as small as $0.2, okay? No experience or investment needed. Task every day, okay? Refer a friend and get 100%. So that is the another part. So it is not a must. Referral is not a must, but advisable, recommended for you to earn more and more and so quickly, okay? But you can also do the task in order to earn only without referrals, okay? So start with that. So I did that, I did all the procedures. So I clicked on register a new Gmail, right? So you, after that, they're gonna respond like, register Gmail account using the specified data and get from 0.29 cents to 34 cents. So you have to follow the instructions as given. So these people, they're gonna give you the name, we're going to give you the password and the email address that you need to use, okay? So that is exactly what you're supposed to use. So for example, I was given register Gmail account using the specified data and get from that. So they gave me, the first name was Darius, last name was leave empty, okay? So you have to follow the instructions that are given below. So email address, they have already given me there. So password is that they have given me. So I have to use everything, all the details that they have given me. Enter all the data as the same as shown here. Wrong data, check fails, and no payment, okay? So are you gonna as you can see, done. So after that, I'm gonna click on done. So okay, you get. So after that, you're gonna click on done. If you want to check your account, you can come here, check on. If you want to register a new Gmail, so you can click, you can create as many as 100 per day and you're gonna be paid for that, so long as you follow the instructions. If you want to check your accounts, go to my accounts. If you want to check your balance, go to your balance, okay? My referrals, you can go to that. If you want to get your link, you're gonna click on my referrals. If you want help, you're gonna click on help. If you want settings, you can click on settings, okay? And I know they will request, if you withdraw, they will request for BEP20 USDT address, okay? So for example, I'm going to show you what you are supposed to do. So with the details that you have been provided here, after that you click on done. If you cancel that registration, you can cancel there. If you want to see how to create the account within the video, let us see the video, okay? Let us see the video. The video is provided here. So this is what you're supposed to be doing. Very simple. So create a Gmail, okay? Create Gmail. So they've already given you the information. So register a new Gmail. That is what you're gonna see. Then they've provided that so this last name you leave empty. Password is that one specifically. So you're gonna copy them. You go to your email. Okay, you go to a Gmail app. Okay, there we go. You click on that profile, then add another account, then go to Google, and okay, here we go, create another account, and then for my personal use, after that, first name, remember surname is optional, so we were told to leave it empty, right? So the person is gonna put on the name that he was given, Darlene. Then leave empty, put day and everything you are given, from which month to which month. You are given years, okay? They're gonna give you the years in between the years that you can use, right? And the gender you can use, I didn't see the gender, you can use any gender, I guess, unless they have given us. So you're gonna paste the Gmail account that you are given there. Okay, paste it right there. Okay, put the password that you are given and you copied, paste it there, then click on next. Make sure you click on show password so you to see what you are doing, then click on next. Review your account. Okay, here we go, click on agree, and then click on keep 5 GB storage. Continue. You're gonna click the app, the second option, then wait for it to check information. After that, click on done, as I've said earlier, and then good. So you'll be good to go. As simple as that, guys, as simple as that. So I know most of you've understood what is supposed to be done. In case you have any question, make sure you comment down below, or you comment on the comment section. And those people who are in my group, I'm gonna share this with you. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. Remember, the link will be in the comment section. I don't put links on the description. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't, and like the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye, guys.